Dental College Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS IMPHAL के Department of Prosthodontist AMASUNG Crown and Bridge na SHINDUNA God creates recreates Haiba theme the World Prosthodontist Day के Thouram NGARANG RIMS Dental College के Examination Hall the Pangthokhre Haukiba December kunithoidagi hauduna numit asiga mari lainana miyamda oral health amasung prosthodontist career ge matangda awareness pinaba makhal makha kaya ge Thouram sing pangthoktuna lakpani Thouram aduda RIMS IMPHAL ge Director Professor G Sunil Kumar Sarmana RIMS Dental College ke Principal Professor B Praveen Reddy amasung RIMS Dental College ke Prosthodontist Department ke Head Professor Anand Rajapurna maruoiba mithunglen sing oina saruk yake tha ama chupna chatharakpa Thouram adugi manung janna mongsangai amasung langol da leiba all age home sing da amate IMPHAL East District da leiba relief camp sing da dental screening camp sing amate patient education drive amat na chingba chathaduna ya lemna layeng bagi khudong chaba pikhe public awareness street play educational videos sing utuna oral hygiene natural dentition matam chana tooth replacement toba amate denture care ki matangda khanghanke Thouram adugi manung channa undergraduates amasung postgraduate mahairoi singna poster amasung model competition reel making competition na chingba kaya so pangthokhe ngasigi Thouram adu competition asida makok mathang taraba singda mana mathum sing su yentokhe
I can probably say that we are going to get everything. So, be it dental chair will start, or maybe some OPG machine and anything. There should be justification. The first thing we face is the ministry will say what is the justification of having this many chairs. So we have to explain like this is the requirement of DCI, maybe the patient load, the student teaching. So once we say those things, so there is no objection on that. So we can buy the requirements with the justification. So please do understand that you may be thinking that we are not getting anything from the administration. It's not like that. Whatever you demand, you will be getting. But with the condition that that demand should be reasonable and justified properly. Only then you'll get.